So hello, my name is Mike Roberts. Welcome to Roots Farm. My wife Kelly and I started this farm in 2009. We moved to this property in 2010. And yeah, we grow vegetables. The property's 6¼ acres, and we grow vegetables on about 1.5 acres of those. We have 30-inch wide beds. We do movable high tunnels. And yeah, we've been working with NRCS for quite a lot of programs, and that's what we're going to talk about today.
Market garden, so it's a smaller scale. It's about 1.3 acres cultivated, and it's very hands and human scales, not tractor based. We don't do machinery, like there's no tractors on the beds. We focus a lot on soil health. We grow year round, so we do 3 farmers markets for 6 months of the year. 2 of them go year round through the winter, and we have year round CSA. So that's a community supported agriculture. We call it our farm share program. We have about 150 members in the summer and a bit under that for winter. And we're certified organic, and we take that very seriously.
Yeah, so here on Roots Farm we have 6 high tunnels. Our high tunnels are movable, and we had NRCS equip funding for 5 of them. We bought our first one, I think, before the program came along. And right now it's summertime, so in the high tunnels we have tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, cucumbers, ginger, and turmeric.
This is turmeric. The grassy looking stuff is ginger, and there's some basil mixed in.
We also use the high tunnels in the winter for mostly winter greens: spinach, salad, arugula, baby kale. Another program we do through NRCS is called CSP, Conservation Stewardship Program, I believe it stands for. And that's kind of like a lump sum payment each year for adding a new practice to your farm or property. So we've done several rounds of CSP so far. I think the first round we put in some shrubs, and that included some apple trees and peach trees along with some other edible shrubs. We did another round with a pollinator planting and also some more shrubs, and I believe we're up for a 3rd round pretty soon. Yeah, NRCS also helped pay for a new well on the property that we used specifically for the farm, so we didn't have to rely on our home well for irrigation. So the NRCS program helped fund the digging of, the drilling of the well, as well as the installation of the pump and pressure tank and hydrants out to the field. So we have, I believe, 6 or 7 hydrants out in the field that we use through that well. There's other NRCS programs we've done here. Drip irrigation has been a big one. They do drip irrigation reimbursements for inside the greenhouse, but also out in the field as well. Thanks for visiting Roots Farm. And if you're looking for our veggies, we do 3 farmers markets during the summer. Wednesdays in Newport, Saturdays in Newport, as well as Saturdays in Bristol. And we also do an online store where you can pick up either of those markets or on the farm. We do not do a farm stand though, so for the picking up on the farm, the online store is the only option.